Alright friends, in this session we will learn about really important topic in Python programming, which is inheritance. So inheritance allows a class, child class, to reuse the properties and methods of another class, its parent class. So let's define what's parent class, what's child class. We will see them. Let's define a parent class. For example, animal. You see, there are lots of animals, every kind of animals. So we define as a parent class. And inside animals class, I define a property which is name, and I assign empty string. So after that, I also define a function, animal eat. So I use self keyword here, and then inside this function, I print animals eat. Super. And right now, let's define child class. Here, I define my child class, and then I say dog. Inside the parentheses, I give my parent class, which is animals. We can say animal or animals. We can say animal. So inside the dog child class, we can define a function using def keyword, and then my function name could be display, and inside this function I print my name is Alex, something like that. So here you see we use inheritance. Dog class inherits from animals. Here animal our parent class and dog is our child class. Let's create an object. We can just give a name like golden retriever, shorter version we can say golden, and then I just take an instance of that class. Here child class can access parents' properties and parents' methods. We can access them. So let's access, for example, I can say golden dot name. You see it's in animal class, but we can access it, and we assign a value. Let's assign it, for example, apple, like animals name apple, and we can access parent class method. Let's print this. How I can print golden dot eat. You see where it locate, it's in animal class, so I can access it. So if I run it, you see animals eat appears on the screen. We access using inheritance parent class properties and methods. We can also access child class, of course, child class properties and methods. Let's print this display method, golden dot display. If I run it, you see animals eat and my name is Alex appears on the screen. It's easy, right? So we will dive into a little bit detail, but not in this lesson. We will see in the next lesson.